India MPs have been stopped by the Delhi marching towards the Election Commission of India headquarters. Now they all have decided to sit on the roads. Right behind me, you can see as to how the MPs are now sitting on roads, and they are raising slogans against the government. They are saying that SIR down, down, and they are also saying that vote chori will not be tolerated. You can see as to how the MPs are now sitting on the roads, and they continue to demand the government to answer on this entire thing. You can see the MPs like Pappu Yadav, Digvijay Singh, they all are sitting here. Mallikarjun Kharge, along with Sharad Pawar, even they are seen sitting on a chair as the MPs of India Bloc are sitting on the roads. So this shows as to how the entire opposition has upped the ante against the government on the issue of SIR. Priyanka Chaturvedi is with us. Let me try to get in a word from her. Ma'am, I can see you're sitting on footpath of road. What's the main demand?
The demand is that the Election Commission of India needs to answer our questions. Shri Rahul Gandhi, through a press conference, had shown data which proves exactly what we've been fighting against: the duplication of voters, the multiple epic ID cards, and multiple voting in states of one individual, bogus voters. So all of those are issues which undermine democracy, and that is the fight that we are fighting. That the Bharatiya Janata Party is incapable of winning on its own strength, so is now using the Election Commission of India to be able to win states.
But vote chori, I can see the placard which reads vote chori. What is the meaning of vote chori?
Vote chori is when you duplicate voters, when you bring in voters from other states to change election outcomes. That is vote chori. I will take it a step forward. It's not just chori, it's daketi of votes that is happening under the watch of the Election Commission of India. The country will never forgive a compromised Election Commission. That is why we are trying to hold them accountable.
So daketi of vote is now going on. That's what the MPs are now claiming, and you can see as to how the MPs of India Bloc are now sitting on dharna, and I can see Mallikarjun Kharge along with Sharad Pawar. They are also sitting on dharna as the MPs of India Bloc have been stopped. And right behind me, at one side, you can see MPs are sitting on the road, and right in the end of this entire row, we also have the senior leaders like Mallikarjun Kharge and Sharad Pawar sitting there on the roads, and they are also a part of this protest which is now underway here at the exit gate of Parliament. Piyush Mishra in Delhi for India Today.